All right, welcome back. We are here with another Masters of the Universe video. And yeah, I finally added Stridor to the collection. I was very lucky to finally get him. I've wanted him. It's such a great figure. He's super posable with his legs, and he's always been just such a great looking, vehicle, I guess you could call him, or whatever, from back in the day. And, those of us that had the original figure. I didn't. My brother had it, so I played with it plenty. But like the legs are stiff. There's absolutely no articulation to them whatsoever. So it always kind of stunk. But this new one, you can pretty much bend it at any hinge, which is a pretty amazing. The head turns sideways too. Doesn't really stay there, but at least it does that. And then that mouthpiece is on a spring, so you can open it up. That rope that's hanging over the fence is actually belongs to him. But that piece right there goes into his mouth, and then Fisto or whoever holds on to the reins. Just a great figure for $30 for something like that is a pretty good price. So, and it came with this little dial piece here too. So, just amazing getting him, just adding him to the collection and getting him in front of the camera with Fisto himself. I doubt this will be the last time we see these two. Actually, I think our next shot might just be a different variation of this picture. I might try something else. But yeah, just great having him in there. But yeah, just kind of having a stable scene. Kind of looks like Fisto's feeding him or something like that, and then Prince Adam has one of his helmets back there. I don't know if it's still called a helmet for a horse or there's a different name for it, but yeah, just kind of throwing in another figure in there. So, anyways, yeah, awesome. Let's go on to the next shot. So yeah, still reusing Stridor and Fisto and Prince Adam and getting kind of a different angle at them, just from above. But yeah, just kind of having Fisto's mounted up and ready to take off, and Adam's talking to him. When I did that last shot, there's nothing on the ground for terrain, which I think was a mistake on my part. I should have done something, put that grass in there or whatever. But just yeah, filling it in so it looks good for this picture. Yeah, not much else to say. Just kind of get that weird angle. Got this is the whatchamacallit, I forgot what that's called now. Stirrup? No, it's not a stirrup. That's a foot thing. Bridle. I think it's called a bridle. But I have that tacked onto Fisto's hand with some wax, just to hold on to it. Just have him holding on to it. But yeah, other than that, not much else to say. Let's go on to another picture. All right, so this next shot is just Skeletor and Panther. I don't think I'll even be taking a shot from this low. Maybe a little bit higher. But yeah, just having him in a cool pose. I threw him on the back of Panther's, saddle or whatever, and put him in a cool pose. And I've just loved the way he looks, kind of menacing, kind of stoic yet menacing on the back of Panther's saddle or whatever, riding him or whatever. And just figured I should probably get a picture in with him like this. Nothing too crazy, just kind of having some rock structures behind him with that red light, just to kind of give it a tint of something, just to kind of give it I guess, a Eternian look or something, I don't know. But, yeah, just him all looking badass. So, I guess that'll do it for this video, guys. Check out the description in the video for the link to my my Instagram page, My Other Toys. And otherwise, hit the like and subscribe button, guys, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye now.